So guys, we are here reviewing Perfume. This one is Moisson. It's French. Let me see the box.
Moisson.
Wow. And guys, they are smelling so good. The wrapper was excellent. Yes, see, the samples are great. You can imagine very small bottle, but it's very nice. Maison François Cœur Dijon. Yeah, very nice. You want to smell it? Perfume review. This is coming from our perfume review right here in New York. All right. So guys, this is another perfume, Yara. It smells so good. Yes, and I like the package. They package it nicely. Look at that design on the package. Yes, they are smelling so good. Yes, and we got these on Amazon. Yes, so you can try them out. You can go ahead and try them out, guys. You may or may not like the scent, but it is smelling good for us. All right. And that's it, guys, for another in the series of perfume review. Bye.